Systems work, people fail. Have you heard of that? That's why McDonald's can be run by teenagers, right? Now, when it comes to making money on the internet, more specifically affiliate marketing or any other business model for that matter, most people fail miserably. And it's because they don't know what they don't know. They're just following a wrong set of blueprints. Now, my friend, listen, if you are somebody that is buying courses, maybe you're going to webinars, seminars, you're going to events, you're attending masterminds, you're investing money trying to break through, and you keep hitting that brick wall, and you're just sick and tired of being sick and tired, I want you to listen. Let me show you a completely different way to make money online today. This is the holy grail for anybody to get to money fastest. It's called affiliate hub-centric business model. And I'd like to show you how it works. As a matter of fact, just the other day, I ran a campaign for a third-party company selling software. I did not have to create it. I didn't have to customer service, deliver it, nothing. And it generated over $520,000 in sales in 5 days. I did not spend a single dime promoting that company directly. How in the world is this even possible? Well, there is a book called Science of Getting Rich. And Wallace D. Wattles reveals the secret. He says it's not about doing certain things. He says it's about doing things in a certain way. Most people have no clue what this certain way is. Would you like to know what that is? Most importantly, would you like to finally break through to success? Like for real, like legit, like this week. What if I could show you how to launch your own highly profitable affiliate marketing empire in 7 days or less for real? Would you like to know how to do that? Click on a link. I'm holding a private workshop. I'm gonna walk you through this, and at the end of this workshop, I'm gonna hook you up with a turnkey system. Nobody is left behind. Works for everybody 100% of the time. 100% of the time. You will be up and running within 7 days or less. Click on the link. I'll see you on the webinar. Let's change your life.